compassionate and gracious.
The Lord is compassionate and gracious.
Bless the Lord, O my soul, and all within me His holy name. Bless the Lord, O my soul, and never forget all His benefits.
The Lord is compassionate and gracious.
It is the Lord who forgives all your sins, who heals every one of your ills, who redeems your life from the grave, who crowns you with mercy and compassion.
The Lord is compassionate and gracious.
The Lord does just deeds, gives full justice to all who are oppressed. He made known His ways to Moses, and His deeds to the children of Israel.
The Lord is compassionate and gracious.
The Lord is compassionate and gracious, slow to anger and rage in mercy. For as the heavens are high above the earth, so strong His mercy for those who fear Him.
The Lord is compassionate and gracious.